Hello and welcome. We are solving PYQs of equation and arithmetical reasoning, and our theme is script arithmetics. We have solved few problems related to this theme. Let's check out this next one. It says, consider the following addition problem: 3p plus 4p plus pp plus pp is equals to rq2, where p, q, r are different digit, which means the minimum value that p can take is 0, 1, 2, and the maximum value that p can take is 9. Since p is a digit, so minimum value is 0, maximum value is 9, and all other values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's a digit, so value of a digit can never be more than 9. Same goes for q as well as for r. Now, based upon this information, I can say 3p is a 2-digit number. If 3p is a 2-digit number, so 3p can be written as 3 into 10 plus p. Plus 4p is also a 3-digit number, so 4p can be written as 4 into 10 plus p. Plus this pp can be written as p into 10 plus p. This next pp can be written as p into 10 plus p. And this right hand side can be written as r into 100 plus q into 10 plus 2, because my right hand side is a 3-digit number where r represent 100th place, q represent 10th place, and 2 represent what? Units place. Solving this further, this 3 into 10 is 30, 4 into 10 is 40, 30 plus 40 is 70, and 1p, 2p, 12p, 13p, 23p, and this one more p will become 24p. So on the left hand side we are getting 70 plus 24p, and on the right hand side we are getting r into 100 plus q into 10 plus 2. Now this is what? This is the result. This is the result, and this is also my result of the given addition problem. Both of these are equal to each other. Now, if both of them are equal to each other, then unit digit of the right hand side and unit digit of the left hand side should be same. So, what will be the unit digit of r into 100? Unit digit of r into 100 gonna be 0. What will be the unit digit of q into 10? Unit digit of q into 10 gonna be 0. What will be the unit digit of 2? It is 2 itself. So if I want to talk about my right hand side, the unit digit of right hand side gonna be 0 plus 0 plus 2, which is 2 only. If unit digit of right hand side is 2, then unit digit of left hand side should be 2. Unit digit of 70 is 0. So unit digit of 24 should be 0. Only then the unit digit of left hand side gonna be 2 and unit digit of right hand side gonna be 2. Now you need to multiply 24 with such a number so that result obtained should have 2 as the unit digit. It is possible when you replace p with 3, because 24 into 3 is what? 72. 72 is having 2 as the unit digit, and you replace p with 8. 24 into 8 is what? 262. Just a second. Not 262. Just a second. 20 into 8, 192 it is. Okay, I hope this is clear to everybody. Now if p is 3, then my result, the sum of addition will be, if p is 3, then result will be 70 plus 24 into 3, which is 142. And if you replace p with 8, then my result gonna be 70 plus 24 into 8, which is 262. So these are the two values that p can take here, which means now the one possible value of rq2 is 142 and another possible value of rq2 is 262. So In case of 142, R is 1, Q is 4. In case of 262, R is 2, Q is 6. Now we are looking for arithmetical mean of all the possible values. So only two values are possible. So their arithmetic mean should be 142 plus 262 upon 2. If you solve this, it will give you what? 202. Hence, the answer of this question is option C. Please make a note of it. I hope this is clear to everybody. Done? Now, what else you can do? What else you can do? See, 3p is a two-digit number, 4p is a two-digit number, pp is a two-digit number, next pp is a two-digit number, and their sum is what? RQ2. Their sum is what? RQ2. So you are adding 4 two-digit number and your sum is RQ2. So how do we add 4 two-digit numbers? So what you're gonna do? P plus P plus P plus P. 4 into P, and the result obtained should be 2. Result obtained should be 2. Now, it should not be 2 here, it should be 12. It should be 12. Why? If you are writing only 2 here, so 4 into something will never gives you 2 only. 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 4 into 3 is 12, and so on. So 4 multiplied with some integer will never produce only 2 in the result. So it should not be 2, it should be like P when added 4 times, the result should be 12. Now the result is 12, so you wrote 2 in the answer and 1 is carry for the next step. Now let's check out for which value of P 4 into P gonna be 12. Okay. For which value of P 4 into P gonna be 12. So if I do 4 into 3, it is what? 12. It is what? 12. So P, the first value that P can take is 3. So number 3P is 33, 4P is 43, PP is 33, PP is 33, and if I add them, so 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 12, 1 carry to next step, 1 plus 3 is 4, 4 plus 4 is 8, 8 plus 6 is 14. So one possible value of RQ2 is 142. All right. Now let's move on to the next one. Now it might possible rather than having 2 only, it is 32. Rather than having 2 only, it is 32, because in the table of 2 there are 2 instances where the unit digit is 2. 4 into 3 is 12 and unit digit of 12 is 2. 4 into 8 is 32. Again unit digit is what? 2. So 4 into 8 will also produce such a number in the result which gonna give me 2 as the unit digit. So value of P can be 2 also. Value of P can be 2 also. If value of P is 2, so this number, sorry, if value of P is 8, so this 3P will become 38, 4P is 48, 88, and then 88. And if you add all these 4 number, it gonna gives you what? 262. Which means another possible value of RQ2 is 262, where R is 2, Q is 6, and 2 is 2. So 2 values of RQ2 are possible. One is 142, another is 262. If you find their arithmetic mean, which is 142 plus 262 divided by 2, the answer gonna be what? 202. Hence the answer of this question is option C. Please make a note of it. Please make a note of it. So there are 2 ways of dealing with this problem. I hope this is clear to everybody. Let's move on to the next question. Just a second. Next question is this. It says, considering the following multiplication problem, P into Q multiplied with 3, result is RQQ, where P, Q and R are different digits. P, Q and R are different digits, which means the minimum value of P can be 0 and maximum value of P can be 9. P cannot take a value which is more than 9 because P is a digit. Same goes for Q, same goes for R. Okay, and then it is also given that R is not equal to 0. Then we have to find out value of this expression. Okay, since PQ is a two-digit number, so PQ can be written as 10 into P plus Q. This whole thing multiplied with 3. RQQ gonna be a three-digit number where R is 100th digit, Q is 10th digit, and another Q is what? Units digit. So RQQ can be written as R into 100 plus Q into 10 plus Q. Okay, let's solve this further. If I solve this further, it becomes 30P plus 3Q equals to R into 100 is 100R plus 11Q. Solving this further, 30P is equals to, taking this 3Q on the other side of equality, becomes 100R plus 8Q. Okay. Now, see, unit digit of 30P gonna be 0 because 30 when multiplied with any number will produce a result whose unit digit will be 0. So if unit digit of left hand side is 0, then definitely unit digit of right hand side should be 0. 100 into R will produce a unit digit 0 plus plus. Now 8 into what? 8 into what gonna give me unit digit 0? So 8 into what gonna give me unit digit to be equal to 0? So only possible value. 8 multiplied with Q, you want such a result whose unit digit is 0. It is possible when Q is replaced with 5 because 8 into 5 is what? 40. In the table of 8, no other single digit value when multiplied with 8 will produce 0 as the unit digit. Okay, so which means the only possible value of Q, is what? 5. Only possible value of Q is what? 5. I hope this is clear. All right. I just want to erase this. Please make a note of it. Hurry up. So value of Q is what? 5. Value of Q is what? 5. Now, if I insert this value of Q to be equal to 5 in this equation, I will be getting 30P equal to 100R plus 8 into Q, that is 40. All right. Now you can see, you can do a lot of things. Either you can do the assumption by using this, okay, or you can do what? See, we already know that value of Q is 5. So P5 multiplied with 3 is giving us R5. You can go like this as well. Now listen, 5 when multiplied with 3 gonna give me 5 as the unit digit, and 5 into 3 is what? 15. So you're gonna write down 5 in the answer and 1 is carry for the next step. Now 3 when multiplied with P and added 1 to it should produce R5, should produce a result whose tens digit is R and units digit is 5. This is possible. This is possible when P is what? P is 6. Because 3 into 6 plus 1 is what? 25. Now, we are very much clear that value of P can be 6 and value of R can be 2. Okay. What are we looking for? P plus R divided by Q. We are looking for P plus R divided by Q. Just a second. No, I'm really sorry. I made a mistake here. I'm really sorry. It is possible when 3 into 8 is 24 plus 1 is 25. So value of P should be 8 because 3 into 8 is 24 plus 1 is 25 and value of R gonna be what? 2. Now we got the value of P, it is 8. We got the value of R, it is 2. So 8 plus 2 divided by Q, value of Q was 5. So 8 plus 2 divided by 5 gonna give me what? It gonna give me 2. So answer of my question is option B. Please make a note of it. I hope guys this is clear to everybody. So this is all from my side for this video. I hope you have understood it. Thank you so much.